Areas related to circles. Exercise 5.1. Unless stated, otherwise use pi is equal to 22 by 7. The radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. First, let me calculate the area of the circumference of the first circle with radius 19 centimeter. Circumference of the circle with radius 19 centimeter is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi, what is r? R is 19 centimeter. This is equal to, yes right, is equal to 2 pi into 19 centimeter. In the same way, circumference of the circle with radius 9 centimeter is equal to 2 pi r1 is equal to 2 pi into 9 centimeter. So, the sum of the circumferences, the sum of the circumferences of the two circles is equal to 2 pi r plus 2 pi r1 is equal to 2 pi capital R. Let me write it as capital R. That will be a circle with a bigger radius. So 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi r is 19 centimeter plus 2 pi into 9 centimeter is equal to 2 pi capital R. Here let me take 2 pi as common, 2 pi. So 19 centimeter plus 9 centimeter, which is equal to 2 pi R. Here 2 pi cancels. 19 plus 9 is equal to 28 centimeter is equal to R. R is equal to 28 centimeter is the radius of the new circle, required circle formed. Here you should note down that capital R is the radius of the circle formed. Second problem, the radii of two circles are 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Here, first, let me calculate the area of the first circle with 8 centimeter radius. So, the first circle is the formula to calculate the radius, area of the circle is pi r square. And for the second circle with 6 centimeter radius is also the same formula, that is pi r square. So what I will do means I will write r1 square and here I will write r2 square. If I add up these two areas, I will be getting a bigger circle. The formula to calculate the area of that bigger circle is also pi r square. Yes, right? Here the radius will be bigger. Here what I will do means I want to find the radius of the circle having the areas equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. So if we add up these two areas, I will be getting a newer circle with bigger area. That circle's radius I want to find. I want to find here r. Yes, right? So I will be substituting the value here pi. I will take up the pi as common. R1 square plus R2 square is equal to pi r square. So what I will do here, pi and pi cancels. What is R1? We should note down that R1 is equal to 8 centimeter. What is R2? R2 is equal to 6 centimeter. So I will be substituting these values. 8 centimeter whole square plus 6 centimeter whole square is equal to r square. So here 8 square centimeter square plus 6 square centimeter square is equal to r square. This is 64 centimeter square plus 36 centimeter square is equal to r square. So if we add up these two means 100 centimeter square is equal to r square. 10 square centimeter square is equal to r square. 10 centimeter whole square is equal to r square. So r is equal to, if we cancel these two things means square square cancels, so r is equal to 10 centimeter is the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. R is equal to 10 centimeter is the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Problem: the wheels of a car of diameter 80 centimeter each, how many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when a car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? So here we have to calculate the complete revolutions the wheel makes in 10 minutes. So to calculate this, what has been provided here is the diameter of the wheel. Diameter of the wheel is 80 centimeter. 80 centimeter. So I will convert it into radius. Radius is equal to d by 2. That is 80 by 2 centimeter, which is equals to 40 centimeter. Radius. So what is the circumference? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So what happens here? Here 2 is 2, pi is pi. What is radius? Radius is equal to 40 centimeter, 40 centimeter. So this is equal to 42 80 pi centimeter is the circumference of the wheel. Excuse me. Now, to know this, you should know the meaning of the revolution. What is the revolution? To know that there is a difference between the rotation and the revolution. Yes, right? I am marking here. It is a thread. Here is there. If this wheel rotates in its place, anything like that, if it rotates here only in its own place, like this means it is called as a rotation. Now, if it moves like this, now it has completed one complete revolution. It has moved and it is also rotated. Yes, right? This is called as the revolution. Now, what will we do means 80 pi means 22 by 7 centimeter. So if we multiply these two means 8 2 is 16, 1 carry, 8 2 is 16, 17, 1 7, 0 by 7 centimeter. This is the circumference of the wheel. This is the distance. This is the distance covered by the wheel in one complete revolution. this is the circumference of the wheel is the distance covered by the wheel in one complete revolution. Nothing other than that is covered. Now 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and you should also know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You should know, I have the knowledge of these two things. Next, here 66 kilometer per hour speed, yes, right? 66 kilometer per hour, yes, right? So 66 kilometer can be written as 66 kilometer can be written as 1000, yes, right? 1000 meter. In the same way, 66 into 1000 meter can be written as 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. So 66 kilometer can be written as 66 followed by 5 zeros. 50 centimeter. You should note down this one. 66 kilometer is equal to 66 lakh centimeter. 66 lakh centimeter is the distance covered by the distance covered by the wheel, by the car means wheel, in 1 hour. So when 66 lakh centimeter is divided by 60, we will get the distance covered by the wheel in 1 minute, and so we will multiply it with 10. So we will be getting the distance covered in 10 minutes is equal to 0 cancels, so here 11, yes, right? 11 lakh kilo centimeter is the distance covered by the wheel in 10 minutes. So to cover this distance, the circumference of the wheel is 1760 by 7 centimeter is the circumference. How many revolutions our wheel makes? So to calculate that, number of revolutions of the wheel can be calculated by dividing the distance traveled by the wheel and dividing it by the circumference of the wheel. This is also centimeter, this is also centimeter, so centimeter cancels here. So we will make cross multiplication. 1760 into 7, yes, right, it comes to the numerator. So what happens here? It is a simple division. On division we will be getting 4375 revolutions. Tick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and area of a circle are numerically equal, if the perimeter and area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is A 2 units, option B 5 units, option C 4 units, option D 7 units. Tick the correct answer. I will not be ticking the correct answer right now. First, I will find what is the correct answer. So, if the perimeter and the area of the circle are numerically equal, that is, perimeter is equal to area of a circle. What is the formula to calculate the perimeter? That is the circumference. 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to area of the circle. Formula pi r square. So here this side pi is there. Yes, right? 2r is equal to, what is r square? R into r. So here r cancels. So 2 is equal to r. R is nothing but radius. R is equal to 2 units. This is the answer. So option A 2 units is the correct answer. Yes, right? I have completed this.